Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the SolidWorks CAM add-in and assigning material and units so tool paths calculate correctly. Once done, create a new CAM project and select mill to match your machining type. Make sure to define the stock size and orientation now, because downstream operations inherit those values. You want a clean feature tree, hide irrelevant bodies, and simplify geometry where possible. This reduces toolpath errors and speeds up computation, while keeping the model ready for operation selection. Next, you pick cutters and fill the tool library with correct diameters, feeds, and speeds so CAM predicts forces accurately. Then apply feature-based operations like facing, 2D contouring, pocketing, and drilling. SolidWorks CAM auto-identifies many features, but you should verify selections. Once operations exist, generate toolpaths and run individual simulations to inspect stock removal. If you see gouges or inefficient passes, adjust step down, step over, or lead in parameters and regenerate until motion looks smooth and collision-free. Finally, run a complete machine simulation to validate tool motion and detect collisions before generating G-code. This prevents costly mistakes on the shop floor. Once satisfied, post-process to your controller and review output for correct machine offsets and tool numbers. If the code behaves oddly, stop and troubleshoot. Confirm stock origin, tool length offsets, and safe Z clearances are correct, because most errors come from wrong references. A key tip: if simulation shows unexpected moves, reevaluate fixtures and rebuild the operation with corrected stock origin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.